Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Mixed fraction number.
What does the dictionary say?
A whole number and a fraction combined into one mixed number.
Math rap.
Mixed number or mixed fraction. What's the attraction? It's when a whole number is combined with a fraction, like 4.5 or 4.25. The 4 is the mixed number, the fraction, the other.
Math rap.
Explain mixed fraction or number in your own words. Do you prefer mixed fractions or using decimals? Why? Make 10 mixed fractions or mixed numbers for me. Tanya has 3.5 presents wrapped today. She wrapped 4 presents yesterday. How many presents has Tanya wrapped so far? Show the mixed fraction in the form of numbers. Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!